This is a carburetor that's going to go on the bike when I get the bike tuned. In order, it's a 33mm Sudco Cahen. Very expensive, but if it works, it's going to work great. This right here is what I call my stock carb. It's 28mm Oco, which I know works in the last engine build. So what we're going to do is we're going to build this carburetor, and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you've never worked on a carburetor, what you need to do is take it apart and work on it. It's not some magical, hard to work thing. It's basically just a fuel metering device which meters the fuel so that you can get 15 parts of air to 1 part of fuel. That's what you're trying to get throughout your whole throttle range. Now, when you take an old carburetor apart, you want to look for any kind of crap that may be in the bowl, which this is a float bowl. There's nothing in there. And you want to look over here, and a good thing to do is take some carb cleaner, and they have a little hose on it, and you go and you shoot through all these orifices. Now, one thing about carb cleaner is you do want to wear glasses, because when you go to shoot in these little holes or clean up these carbs, the carb cleaner will blast right back at your face, and when it gets in your eyes, let me tell you, it'll wake you up. Now, the few things we have to check when we're dealing with carb that's been sitting for a lot of months. We have our main jet right here. It says K135 on it or something like that. This is the pilot jet, and it has a number on it too. And my light isn't very good, so I can't show you the number, but it doesn't matter. This is the emulsion tube, which the main jet fits into. All these carbs have the same damn thing. This is your jet needle, which goes into the main jet. What you need to do when you pull out these two jets, right here, your main jet, is you want to take it and you want to hold it up to a light like this. Alright? I don't know if you can see that. You probably can. You want to see light through it. If you don't see light through it, then your jet is clogged with old dried gas, which is the most common cause of carb failure, and you want to take something and fix it. Now then you want to take out your pilot jet. You want to be very careful, and you want to take them out with a straight edge screwdriver. Be very careful. This brass is soft metal because they all have so many different holes, sizes drilled in them. Now, the nice thing about this pilot jet, which this covers about 0 to 10% of your idle and start of your acceleration. This covers 10 to 100% of it. So we take the idle jet, and we've already looked at the main jet is clear. Let's hold that up to the light. What do you see? Well, I don't see a damn thing, which means that it's probably plugged. Now, the best thing to clear one of these out is if you have a Gibson genuine guitar and you have a Gibson genuine guitar string, because they come in all different sizes. The best thing to do is to take the string. You can use piano string, anything like that. This works really good. And you push it, and you see I'm trying to push right here. It's not going through because it's clogged. Alright. So I'm pushing and pushing and pushing, and it's not going through. It's hard to do with this one-handed, and then I'm going to do a backdrop on it and everything. So I keep pushing on it, and it doesn't want to go through. So you can do it from the other end too. Right here. Let me see if I can do this with the camera